Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run Cypress tests through Docker. So I have a basic Cypress project setup. I have a login fixture where it actually logs into Orange HRM and just verifies if it's actually logged in. So let's quickly check if the test is working. So I have set up custom commands in package.json, so it will just take up those custom commands, and then it should actually launch the browser and check if the dashboard is launching or not. So right now it runs in headless mode, so the browser will not come up. So yeah, so it goes to so it says that all specs have passed. Let's try to run it in headless mode. npx cypress run headed. So I'm not going deep into the configurations of Cypress, but I'm just the scope of this video is to just show how the test will run in Docker. So right now I'll show to you how the test will run in Docker in headless mode. So let me quickly create a Docker file. So just be careful, the Docker file should be created in the like root directory. So just create a Docker file. Before this, you have to initialize Docker in your machine. So if you have it installed through command line, you can initialize it through command line, or you can also have a GUI version of Docker install. I have a GUI version, so you can just open it from here, and it should actually show up here. So it looks like this. It will show you all the containers and images and that you have. So let me just add content to the Docker file. So first you need to specify like which image you want to import. So I'm just importing the standard official image from Cypress. Then you should actually set up the working directory. Now the next step is to copy the package.json files, package.json and package log.json. So this is the standard format, guys. So next we'll run npm install. Thereafter we need to copy all the project files. So we'll just add a simple command, then we'll add a command, then we'll specify what commands we need to run in through the command line. So it will be just our the command that we specified earlier in npx cypress run. Next, what we need to do is now since we have the Docker file, we need to build this Docker image. So to build this Docker image, go to the root directory and just run docker build t any name. For example, I'm just giving the name as Cypress tests dot. So it should start building the Docker image, and once it is built, so it is saying it doesn't have, okay, I have specified the name wrong. I'll just correct it quickly. Okay, it should work now. Let me quickly run the build. So it's actually building the Docker image right now, and you can actually do this through Docker Compose file also. For that, I'll create a separate video. For this one, this is a simple start. So we can just have a simple Docker file, and then we can just run it over here. So once you run it, you will see that the test execution happened in Docker, and all the results came here. So I'll not go deep into the results right now, but just just so meanwhile it installs, I'll just show you. It's a simple product, it's a simple structure, like framework structure. I don't have many files here. I have some configurations and utilities, so I'm just starting with it. So yeah, I think the test is completed. Now the next step is to run the Docker tests. So to run the Docker test, you just specify this command. So this command will run the Docker tests, and later actually delete the uh, delete the container. So okay, there I have specified the name wrong, so it will be like this. So let's see if it executes it. So it is executing the tests. Let's wait for it to complete. So yeah, it says that it has passed, but we have not seen any results as of yet. So let's try to get the results as well. So for to do that, we have to make we can actually have some screenshots and videos posted right here to see how the test executed. For that, you just have to make some changes in the Cypress configuration file. You just add video as true, and the screenshot on run failure as true. So but keep in mind that when you add video equal to true, it will just create some video files, and that might make your code base bulky. So this is just for demo purpose, so we can just see how it works. So the command actually is quite long. I have written it in a separate file, so I'll just copy it and paste it here. So this actually runs the Cypress app, and it stores the results and videos and screenshots, and what it actually runs is the Cypress tests. So let's try to run this command and see if it works. So yeah, if you can see here, the screenshots and videos folder got created, and it's again running the tests. So let's see if it posts a video or screenshots or whatnot. So it specs all the tests has passed. So I believe there is no screenshot. Yes, because screenshots just on failure. Then we go to the videos. We see that there is a video file here. Just open the video file. Let's try to run it. Let's try to see. Okay, this is the video file, and so this is how Cypress executed the tests. So yeah, everything got passed, and we see all the logs in the Cypress runner. So that's the video from my side for today. Thank you for watching.